Hi everyone, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve the basically the previous day's problem. Yesterday I solved there, but I'm not able to produce the video. So right now I'm trying to first write and then after that I'm trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. So the question is that in N-ary tree level order traversal. So basically that you are given as a tree, basically N-ary tree, and return the level order traversal for each nodes and which they are given there. So basically N-ary tree is a serialization is represented the level order traversal each group of the children, basically 1 3 to 4 and then after that 5 6. So basically we'll have to return that as 1 3 to 4 then 5 6, basically as same as like that the binary tree level order traversal. So that's how I have been traverse the binary level order traversal. So that's how I have been implementing the N-ary level order traversal. So first try run and then after that I'm trying to implement my logic there. So first, what is that? 1 3 to 4 3 to 4 5 7 around 5 7, maybe right, 5 7, yes, 5 6, hold on, 5 6. So for their case, basically what I will do, the first I will take a queue basically, and then after that I will insert that 1 then 1, and then after that I will check that if the basically, then after that I have been also putting that value, and then after that I am taking a for loop or that or not for loop basically, and taking through the size of that queue of the queue dot size. So integer I0 to size basically, and after that I will be popping by one after another. So the top value is basically 1. So right now we'll have to check that if top children is present or not. If there is a present, then after that I will that's here I have been checking for the binary case if left has been present to left value and the if right present. So for their case, if I have been checking that the top children is not null, is not is equals to null, then after that I will taking that for loop, basically that is a vector basically given. So after that I will taking that size and taking it basically that loop, and then after that I will insert that q dot push the top children dot I. That's the value I have been passing through there, and then after that it is been popping, and after that I am taking a temporary vector and then putting that value one after another into there, putting that value one after another, and then after that when all the traversal has been completed, that temporary value is goes to the resultant case. So basically I have been taking the I've been visited all the node there. So basically order of n and space complex is also order of n there, basically not basically, yeah, there is an order of n, max to max no, yes, it can possible that order of n there because N-ary tree, so it can possible that number of n's there. So basically that's how I've been trying to implement there. So right now I'm trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. So first I will check that if root is equals to null, then after that I will return null. Oh sorry, not null, for their case basically vector of vector, so they return an empty case. So taking in vector of vector integer, then res and q dot push dot root, and while q not empty, and I have been trying to find the queue size basically, and then after that I'll have to initialize the and vector basically, that is temp there, and for integer I0 to I less than size I plus plus, and then after that I'm trying to find the which is the front value basically. So tree node, not tree node, basically forgotten that there is a node start, node front is equals to q dot front, then pop, q dot pop. So that's the value has been deducting from there, and then after that now I'll have to check that if that font children not equals to null. Then q, okay, for integer j is equals to 0 to j less than font children dot size, then j plus plus, and after that q dot push that font dot children of I. That's how I've been putting that. And when the each traversal has been completed of the level, that's the value of okay, temp dot pushback in each level which the value has been present there, which have been popping from that queue, that value have been inserting into that as an integer format. So that I've been putting into there. And then after that, when all the traversal has been completed, so then after that I will not all the traversal, when the one level by level traversal has been completed, then I have been putting that level order value basically putting into the result value basically. So that is how temp. So right now I'll have to check that is it my logic is correct or not. Yeah, it's giving me declared. Okay, I forgot to check that q not star q. Font dot children, which is the value basically. Okay, front. Okay, just I forgot to check that. There is a none. Yeah, that is. It's giving me same. Okay, we'll have to check that. The size is basically dot size not equals to 0. Let me check that my logic is correct or not. Okay, what's giving me wrong? The font value font dot children dot size not equals to 0 is greater than 0 if I've been taking that. Maybe that. Okay, J. That is basically putting that value J. Yeah, it's giving me right answer. So let me check another example for there. Maybe it's coming wrong answer due to I'm not entering the basically the null value, but I'll have to check that after inserting into that. Okay, that is already pushed into there. Let me check there. That's giving me right answer. So let me check that my answer is correct or not, or my logic is correct or not. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.